Hi, this is Layla with Sherry Miller and Associates. This is my new land listing in Aguanga, California. It's on 0 Grama Road in beautiful Aguanga, California. It's 40 acres and it's zoned rural residential, so there's lots of things you can do with it. You can have build a house, probably a manufactured home, check with the county. Could have some agricultural uses. There's nearby ranches and farms, beautiful rolling terrain, and also a lot of flat areas that are buildable. It's drivable. There's an unpaved road, but it's totally easy to use your car to get here. You don't even have to have like an off-road vehicle. And there's a paved road on Sage not too far away. It's priced at $219,900. Great deal for 40 acres. And feel free to give me a call to ask any questions at 949-287-1052. I'm also happy to get text messages, direct messages on Instagram, or also emails at highdesertlandlady@gmail.com. Look forward to hearing from you.